How to Journal and Trading the Correct Way by DGS Trades. Let's get straight into this. Boom. Why you need to journal and trading. You need to learn from your losses. Many people now, they trade, they take a loss, and they don't look back at it. This results in you taking no value from your losses. You should be taking value from every loss and turning into a win, essentially. So if you don't gain value from your losses, you're doing something wrong. You need to journal and take value from your losses. And second thing, another thing why you need to journal and trading is it builds your confidence in trading. Everything else, if you don't have confidence in it, you won't perform well in it. It's very self-explanatory. So build your confidence in trading, and you'll have a better result in trading and a better result in the market. So in the end, if you journal in a consistent way in trading, it ultimately makes you a better trader in the long way. Like how we were talking about, it lets you learn from your losses. Once you learn from your losses, you gain value from your losses, and that makes you a better trader. If you continuously do that after a long run, boom, you're a better trader. So it ultimately makes you a better trader if you journal your trading at a consistent pace. How to journal and trading. Very self-explanatory as well. Get a notebook, get a Google Doc, and start reflecting on your trades. Reflect what you did good on, what you did bad on, and what you need to improve on. This will make the growth in your trading a lot. This will have a lot of growth in your trading. Sorry, that was some bad wording I had. But you'll see a lot of growth because you reflect on what you did bad on. We covered this earlier. But what you did good on. Many people don't reflect on what they did good on. If you did good on something, reflect on it and find out how to continuously do that thing so you're always doing good. Then stay consistent with it. If you stay consistent with journaling, you'll see a lot of progress on the long run, especially if you reflect in a high depth pace. So if you reflect each day, what you did good on, what you did bad on, it's impossible for you to learn and become a better trader. So you need to start journaling at a consistent pace so you could get that growth and learn what you do good on and what you do bad on. So on future trades, you know what to do. You got that dialed in, basically. Next. Basically, ideas of questions to ask in your journal while you trade. These are all questions I basically ask myself and what I reflect on. So number one, was this a good business move? Think like a business in trading. If trading is a business in itself, you're making decisions. Each decision is based on a good move. Like, is this good for your business or bad for your business? If you take random decisions in the market, it's obviously bad for your business. So you're gonna lose profit in trading. It's a weird term, but it works. Did I follow along with my trading rules and plan? This is another key question to ask while you're journaling. Why? Because your whole goal in trading should be able to follow your trading rules and plan. If you don't follow your rules and plan, you'll simply fail because your plan should be your edge in the market. And if you don't follow your plan, you don't follow your edge. So you enter on stuff you suck at and you don't understand. So you'll ultimately lose, which is what adds up to when you don't follow your trading rules and plan. Okay, third question, why did I lose or win? I already covered this a lot in the video. If you figure out why you won, you'll continuously make that same action and you'll win more. If you figure out why you lost, you'll figure out why you lost and not make that same mistake over and over again. And fourth thing, another question you need to ask yourself, another question you need to ask yourself while you journal your trades is what you need to improve on. If you figure out what you need to improve on, if you do that on the daily, you'll get more continuous growth over day to day because you continuously have an idea of what you need to improve on. If you know what you need to improve on, you know how to get better as a trader. And how to get better as a trader, in the end, that leads to better profits. So figure out what you need to improve on. Fifth question, the main question, the last question. How was my risk management? Also ask this question when you journal. Reason? Risk management. If your risk management sucks, let's say you win 5 trades. Boom, 6th trade you have terrible risk management. There goes all of your profits. So make sure your risk management is good. You need to be consistent with risk management. Same with everything else. So journal your risk management. See if your risk management is even good. If it's good, you'll find out in your journaling. If it's bad, you'll catch on to it before you make a big money mistake and blow all 5 of your winning trades. So journal how your risk management was. So how to incorrectly journal your trades. One main thing I see people incorrectly journal their trades is they blame everything on the market. You need to be self-accountable for your losses. If you just blame your losses on something else, you're missing out on all of the growth from your losses. Reason for this is you take no value from blaming your losses on other people or things, such as the market. So if I take a loss, I'm gonna take full accountability for it. Reason is I entered there and I lost. There's a reason why I lost there. So I figure out why I lost, then take full accountability for it. Everything you do is your fault. So another thing people do, stop journaling only when you win. It's also self-explanatory. You need to journal and learn from your losses. So if you only journal when you win, because you're in the good mood, obviously, because you won, you need to stop doing that. Obviously, still journal when you win, but make sure to journal and learn from your losses, because that's where you get all of your growth. You make mistakes, and you learn from those mistakes, and when you journal, you figure out what the mistake is, then you prevent that mistake from happening. First of all, because you learned what the mistake was. So if you only journal your wins and not your losses, you're not figuring out what mistakes you're continuously making, which is bad. So you need to journal your losses and not only your wins. And another thing, this isn't too bad, but quick, short journal and not in depth recap. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. But honestly, journaling, you should have full depth in your recap. Like, you should be going into it. Because what? This is the key thing that's making you improve. Reflection on your trading, bro, it's important. Like, you need to be doing this and taking it serious. Like, I take it serious. So I'll go into how I do my journal in the end of the video, but make sure it's in pretty depth and you're taking absolute value from it. And a reminder, everyone is different, so your approach might be different than mine in journaling. What I do might work better for me than it works for you. In your way, might work better for you than for me. It's just like that. So find how you journal, what brings most benefit to you, and just go from there. Basically, so the end. So first, I'm gonna talk about how I journal. So first of all, I have Notion. I keep track of all my trades. I write down why I entered and all that stuff. I just like it. I keep down my win rate. Then I do a quick little journal after my trade. I just write down my emotions because I have my emotions locked in right there because I'm actively trading right there like 10 minutes prior. So I do that. Then 4 hours later, not 4 hours later, sorry. When I get home from school, which is like 8 hours later, I write a whole essay about my trade. So like 5 or 6 paragraphs. I go really in depth about that stuff. And it just basically brings a bunch of value to me. If it teaches me what I did wrong, what I need to improve on, and all of that. So if you want to, try it out. I highly suggest it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, like the video if you took value, and join the free community, link in the description. That's the video. Hope you guys have a good day. Laters.